Let's learn when to use useMemo hook in React. useMemo helps us optimize performance by remembering we're memoizing expensive calculations so they don't run every single time the component renders. Let's analyze the example below. So inside the component we have two states. We define a function named expensive calculation. Inside it, we have a text that displays every time it triggers, and a for loop that runs a billion iterations so it will take time to load due to heavy calculation. We store our function in a variable named calculation, and we have a style object. This start comes from our state variable that changes the background's value depending its Boolean value. So in the return, we have a button that increments count value every time we click, and a button that changes the Boolean value of our dark state. Let's run our code and check the console. As you can see, the count waits for the calculation of the function before it displays, and also our toggle theme. But we don't want this. The problem is when we change our state, the entire component renders. So we want our toggle theme not to wait for the calculation. This is when we use useMemo. So we import it first, and assign our variable to useMemo. It has two arguments. The first argument is a function, and I'm going to call this function, and the second argument is a dependency array, and we put the state that you want your useMemo to run. Here we probably want it to run only when count changes.